Hello, what's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at what I bring in my backpack. This is a small trail kit intended to help me if I have to do some small repairs out on the trail when I'm away from my workshop. This has been developed as I have encountered problems that easily could have been fixed with these simple items. First thing is the batteries. One of the most common problem is that the controller has been left on or it's low on battery, and I don't notice before I'm at my trail spot. Really annoying. Second is the spare parts kit, and everything in here is because of a problem I have encountered. For example, my servo horn breaking or falling off just because of loose screws. I have different ones because of different cars. Losing my body pins, I leave them on the body and they fly off when I move it around. Very difficult to find in the bushes around in the woods. Of course, wheel nuts that has not been tightened enough, or they vibrate loose, the wheel fly off and the locking nut is nowhere to be found. T-wrench for easy bolt on when the wheel is going back on the truck. Rod ends in a couple of different variations in case one breaks. This is a weak spot on many rigs, so it's a nice thing to have. If I have to loan out a battery to someone that don't have the same battery plug as me, I have a Deans to XT60 and vice versa, so the battery plug difference don't end the trip. More than once have I experienced to forget to charge or someone else has, but we don't use the same plug, so this can be a real lifesaver. An assortment of screws and bolts in case one disappears or breaks. I like the stainless steel ones because of the shine they have. It's easier to locate if you drop one on the ground while fixing something. Some trucks have the hex pin behind the wheel hex, and if you lose a wheel and you have this setup, the pin is bound to disappear, and it is usually impossible to find afterwards, so it made the way into the kit. Loctite is also a smart thing to have in a kit in a small tube like this. After losing a servo horn 3 times in one trip, this is now a must for me. Then there is the toolkit. This is the starter kit from Traxxas. I started with this when I got into the hobby, and it has proven to be a very good starting point. It has the most common sizes that are being used in modern RC cars today. Some of the tools could have been removed, I'm sure, but I bet I would find myself needing that exact tool the next time I have to fix something. I have added some tools to this kit, like these needle nose pliers with the possibility to cut wire. Practical to hold something in place where your fingers don't fit and where the T-wrench don't fit. A better option for this would be a shock plier with the same attributes as the pliers. This is a 4mm hex wrench for the small scale trucks. They need a hex wrench that has thin walls so they fit inside of the wheel hex of the 24 scales, and the one in this kit did not fit. This kit is always in development. As I run into problems, I put things into the kit, and the trail kit is for crawlers and is intended to fit in a small pack. And it's an on-trail repair kit, so electronics and bigger things stay in the car if I go on a longer trip. Do you have a trail kit? And if so, what am I missing in mine? Put your opinions in the comments down below, and I hope this video will help you making your own trail kits. Thank you so much for watching the video, and like and subscribe for more content like this.